Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We are doing a delivery of a granite stones, you see, to a customer in Kumasi Suame. As you can see, just look at the colors, nice one. You see, beautiful. Look at the stones. Yeah, so nice. Oh, just here. You see. So whatever they just give us a call. You see. So as for the granite stones, we have some thick one like this, you see, and we have also a light one like this. You understand me? So when you give us a call, let us know what you want. You see, the granite stone is available in stock. You understand me? So whatever they give us a call. And one thing we say, the granite stone we don't sell it per a pallet. You understand me? It's not per a pallet, but it's per a pieces. That you are arrange them. You see, that be how you arrange for you. So that be how we count it before we deliver to your location, so that we make sure that we give you the right thing, the exactly measurement that you need for your building. So whatever a day, give Stepping Stone Design a call. We do a delivery across the country. So whatever a day, give us a call. Yeah, look at the beauty. Yeah, so